Okay, one of the things I did not mention was if there is not a number, at this point we should know that's a 1. So A is 1, B is 7, C is 10. Once we've identified those, just like our notes say, we draw our X. Okay, B goes here. We have 7, right? You should have your notes with you. You have it written out. And that way you're not having to rewrite this every time. You're just going to put B, A, C, right? So if A is 1, we divide by 1, divide by 1. B goes here. 1 times C, which is 10. 1 times 10 is just 10. And we're going to factor that. Okay. When I start out, I start showing all the factors. 1 and 10, 2 and 5. Honestly, there's more factors. Like things you got to start thinking about is that -1 times -10 is also positive 10. Or -2 times -5 is also positive 10. But I need the ones that add up to equal, right? Remember, we're adding them. So I always put a plus there to remind me. And they have to equal 7. So this is 11. This right here is 7. So I'll circle the ones that I want. So I'm going to take this 2 and put it here. Take the 5 and put it here. 2 divided by 1 is 2. So we come down to the bottom for our answer. X plus. This comes down. X plus 2. And 5 divided by 1 is 5. So it's X plus 5. So this part right here is the answer. Okay, you can tell we've done some tedious stuff that is not a big deal here. Hopefully we noticed that right away. That like dividing by 1, multiplying by 1 is not a big deal, right? It doesn't do anything. Well, that's why this is day 1, A equal to 1. Tomorrow, this will not be equal to 1. Right? And all of this will change and we'll get into that. But right now, we're just sticking with the format. Okay? Again, this is A, this is B, this is C. Draw my X. And we get 8. That just reminds me that this needs to equal 8. Okay? Put divide by 1, divide by 1. 1 times 15, which is just 15. What are the factors of 15? 1 times 15. 3 times 5, and that's it. I could do all the negatives, but right now, 3 times 5, if I add those, that equals 8. So 3 goes here, 5 goes here. So this is positive 3, X plus 3. Positive 5, X plus 5. Right? So those are really easy. Right now it stays pretty easy. Okay? Going up, I'll do one more of those, right? So we go X, here is divide by 1, 11. So I want this to equal 11. And it's 1 times 18, which is just 18. So what are the factors of 18? 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6. All right, I'll teach you a trick later on how to find the factors really easy on a calculator. But 2 and 9 are the ones that equal 11. I got 2 here, 9 here. So this is just X plus 2. And this is X plus 9. Done. Okay, so all positive numbers, very easy problems.